Hi guys, my name is Mateus. I will talk a little bit really fast about relational logical operator as well as control flow. So in MATLAB, these are the relational operations, and that one are the logical operations, and or not. You have greater, greater or equal, less, less or equal, equal, different. So control flow, we have 5 kinds in MATLAB, but 2 ones the most important one because very useful for everything programming, not only MATLAB. 4 you're gonna use when you want to repeat same thing a lot of times, same command a lot of times. Here is where you tell the computer how many times you're gonna repeat the command. While is like similar, but it's like this. You're gonna repeat the same command a lot of times while the statement here is true. When it's false, it stops, and that's it. If, else, else if works like this. If statement side is true, execute the command. If it's not true, go down, look if you have a else if. If it's true, execute the command here. If it's false, keep going. You can have a lot of else ifs until you reach the else. Else doesn't need to have any statement, just gonna execute the command below else. And sometimes you can have only if, don't need to have else if or else. Sometimes not necessary, only if is okay. So last 2 ones not very important. They exist only in MATLAB. Switch case otherwise work like this. Put the expression here, not here. Computer will check if they are equals, execute the command. If not, the computer will try to see if there are other cases. Can have a lot of cases. If everybody is false, otherwise the last one command will execute. Okay. Try cats like this. You have the 4 error messages in MATLAB, but you can write your own error message for some type of error too. For example, try below, you can put like array multiplication. If they have wrong, the dimensions is not good for multiplication, don't match for this kind of multiplication. So we have an error message here below catch. You can write your own error message that you want to this kind of error. Here in the brackets you can put the exception, but it's not necessary. So okay guys, control flow I think is the one of the most important part of the subject. So okay, thank you, bye bye.